Hello and welcome to Universe Sandbox. I might do some karaoke here too, but I think because this is my first time doing a video with Universe Sandbox, I'm just gonna do Universe Sandbox. So as you can see here, we have the universe, or the solar system. Last time I was doing this, I was slowly increasing the mass of the sun. I think I got to Venus being eaten. So let's do this until Earth gets eaten. And it took a while because I was doing it like +1 +1 kind of thing. Yeah, I was just using this instead of going ×2 ×2. But I'll do it faster this time instead of going like 1 and like 5 minutes later like a 2. I think I got it. It was at like 7. I don't know if it's just the way this is, but pretty much the sun has to encroach on this orbit that is going on before Mercury actually goes into the sun. Like they don't get sucked in for some reason. That's what it was, like 7 times the radius or something. I don't remember. I don't remember what the mass was. I think it was like 5. Oh, hey, look, there's Jupiter. Ooh, I probably gotta zoom in now. There we go. I remember at some point you can't even really see, like they stopped showing Mercury spinning around because it was like, actually maybe I should do it like that. I think it seems a bit slow. I, less than a day sounds fine. Because now you can see what's going on here. Oh, there goes Mercury. Surprised I'm not seeing any. Oh, there's some debris. See, it wasn't like 7. Oop, there's a bunch of debris happening. I guess Earth's gonna get sucked in soon. It's weird how now it's more. It was weird because in the beginning it was like 3 masses is like 7 radiuses, and now it's 17 masses and it's only 14 radiuses. I'm not seeing Mars anymore. Oop, here comes Jupiter. Is it gonna be flung out into space? I don't know, looks like it's coming back. Maybe I should have put it on orbits instead of paths so we'd be able to see how it changed. Oh, there goes Jupiter. Oop, Saturn's coming. I know at some point it's gonna turn into like a red giant or something. I wish it would say what kind of sequence star this is. That would be nice. Oh, there goes Saturn. Now we just gotta get Uranus and Neptune. Fragments. It just says fragments. I'm like, it's like, it looks like dark matter at this point. I don't know what it's sucking in at this point. I'm like, Uranus and Neptune are way out there. They're still existing. Fragment, yeah. Right now it's not even increasing by point something. It's just going by whole mass of suns. Whoop. It's getting bigger. I don't know what these fragments are anymore. I think I said that. Where the hell are Uranus and Neptune? Come on. See how many sun masses it takes to become a different star. Or a black hole, if it'll even differentiate between. It doesn't seem to like differentiating between the sequence. That's one thing I noticed about this. I'm like, ooh, it's an AU, or partial part of an AU now. They can't even do it by radiuses anymore. Some of these fragments are pretty large. I wish you would tell me what the fragments are from. Like, that would be helpful too. It seems like Mercury to Saturn, they're all pretty close, and then Uranus and Neptune are just way out there. Like, can you even call them a planet anymore? Like, this is just weird. God, we're at like 1,000. God, we're getting close to 2,000. it's still a star. Did Uranus and Neptune get flung into space or something? Something's crossing this path. Oh hey, something's coming. Hey Chiron. Ooh, more. Oh, there comes Uranus. Finally. It's like now it's actually getting sucked in. Everything else is like, oh, you gotta wait till it's like in your orbit. I don't know what that is. I guess there's a lot of stuff between Uranus and Neptune. It's getting very bright. And then suddenly it's gonna be a pool of darkness. And it happens so suddenly, you're like, whoa, whoa, what the hell? Oh, here comes Neptune. Now we just gotta get Pluto and Eris and Sedna and all of them. See if we can get them before this changes into a black hole. I wonder if it has to be like how much mass it has to be before. Oh, here comes Pluto. Woo! Now we just gotta see how much mass it takes for this to become a black hole. It's not even looking like a red giant either. Actually, maybe that's just the radius. Put the radius, it changes into a different star. Although it would automatically change the mass unless I locked it. Ooh, Quower! It's gonna get like ultra luminescent and suddenly you're gonna be like, where is everything? Just keep going until all these lines are gone. It's even flung out into space. Oop, Orcus. Boom. Haumea. One of these is like oblong. I can't remember which one it was. I think it was Haumea. It's like a, not even an egg shape. It's like those magnets. Make make. Ooh, whoa, what's that? Fragment. A fragment of what? Where are these coming from? Damn, we're almost at an AU. I can look on the surface. Let's see, will these orbital lines disappear? Or will this turn into a black hole? Should probably zoom out. I think whatever that was got flung into space, but I don't know, man. Yeah, we're already in AU and it's still doing its thing. Oops, stuff is coming back. I wonder if this is the thing that one guy was using to show what it's like to fall through. Ooh, Sedna! To fall through a planet. I don't think so. Ooh, Eris, hey! Now there's just one line. Look at that glowing aura. 164,403 masses of the sun. Wonder what dwarf planet slash orbital body is left. 210,835. I don't even see the line anymore. Pretty sure it's still there though. Is that the end? Oh. Let's see if I keep on zooming out. I think that's about as far as that's gonna go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice. I think that's the end of that. Now to just turn it into a black hole. How much mass do you need? I feel like it's gotta change into some other mass unit before it does anything. And then it won't even be mass, it'll be like Event Horizon or something. Can we get to 1,000,000? Unless there's something glitching and it just won't turn into a black hole, it'll just get a bigger and bigger. Come on, 1,000,000, 1,000,000! Yay, 1,000,000! We're at 3 AUs. Yeah, it's keeping the density pretty much the same. And the temperature. The luminosity of 11 suns. That was that 3 million? Dang. It's encroaching on the screen and it's still a star. Uh-oh, we're gonna get to about 10 million. Maybe. $10,000,000! I'll keep zooming out. It's kind of weird that it has the same luminosity as it's had for a while. And the surface temperature is the same. $20,000,000! $30,000,000! This feels like a fundraiser. 40,000,000! 50,000,000! 60,000,000! 70! Let's see if we can get it to 100,000,000! Keep calling in! Yay! It's in scientific notation! Just what we all needed. It's like, you know, things are going crack. Oh, now it's in a galaxy size! Woo! And now it's not in scientific notation anymore! What is this? M galaxy just like the smallest galaxy? I think so. The average galaxy size, maybe? Maybe it'll say. Oh, that's the Milky Way, okay. Dang. Is that the biggest? I think that is the biggest. Nice. Okay, back to the my mass. Back to the my mass. It's like, God, it's been almost 30 minutes and it's like still a star. Can we get to the 1000th place? Oh, okay. There it went. About 0.8 of a galaxy. Or not 0.8, 0.0008. Couldn't even get to 1000th place. Damn it. Okay. What else could I do now? Now that I've reached the pinnacle of existence in this. Let's see. Existing simulations. Total solar eclipse. Tidally heated habitable moon. Tidally locked Earth. The Milky Way. Which is annoying because you zoom in and there's nothing. Like, it doesn't show you what's in the Milky Way. It just shows you the Milky Way. Supernova in the galaxy. Random database galaxy. The Parker Solar Probe. Supermassive black hole binary. Interstellar object with hyperbolic trajectory. The ultimate engineered solar system. Planets between the Earth and the Moon. 2 baseballs 1 meter apart. TRAPPIST 1. Mongolian constellations. Siberian constellations. Western constellations. Earth and sphere of moons. Earth at 10,000 Celsius. Earth at 5,000. Earth at 1,000,000. Binary Earths. Supernova the Sun. Earth exploding and 8 series. Galactic Center. I do kind of want to see what's going on here. I was gonna say, it would tell you what's in there. Whoa! Light bending! Now it looks straight! The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy with a black hole millions times more massive than our Sun at its center, called Sagittarius A**. Note that for simplicity, the simulation does not include the other 100 billion or so stars in our galaxy. Nor does it seem to include the Sun, considering that's way out there, huh? Mm. Whoa. Let's see. Let's just go to the Earth or something. Uh-oh, I made an empty one. Let's add something. Sim. Grid, habitable. Tools. Add. What's with the numbers on the corners? What if we take the sun and make it a planet? Planetscaping. Let's add liquid. Planetscaping is only with surface simulation as rocky planets. Let's add something solid, like an elevation. Damn it. Dang it. Let's cool it down. Remove temperature, please. Set to 68. Enter. Set. Dang it! Add ice. Damn it! How do we solidify this helium, huh? Put some argon in there? Come on. Why did you even let me go to the planetscaping section? Change. Solidify! Solidify. Oh, you bitch. You could have made it a rocky planet. Ugh. Damn it. Earth and Moon, yay. Earth is the third major planet from the sun. I remember in science class, like 8th grade, my science teacher, for some reason, she didn't want to grade stuff at her desk. She decided to sit next to me because I was always like the only person in that table. And so she's like, I'm gonna do that. And so she's sitting next to me. I'm like working ahead in the workbook as somebody else is teaching. She's not noticing. Which I thought was kind of funny. And then like school, I think the class ended, and she like talked to people. She like summoned people to her and was like, which planet is Earth? You know, like how far away from Earth is the sun? Or how far away from the sun is Earth? Like which planet? What number? And like so many people couldn't answer that. They're like, the second, the first. I was like, dang. And I'm getting associated with that on accident because I'm just sitting right next to her. She did that a lot too. She'd get the other students to just go through the workbook. So they'd just like be there. I remember one guy, he graded my, you know, like you switch workbooks and then so somebody grades them and they're fair, you know. Well, this guy marked like all of my answers wrong, and I was like, no. So I go, because I didn't use the exact same wording, because I was afraid of plagiarism, so I was like wording it my own way. Eventually my teacher told me, just copy. Just copy what the book says. It's not plagiarism, you're fine. So, but yeah, so I had to go to the teacher and be like, he marked these wrong, and they're not wrong. And so she ended up having to take my workbook and grade it herself, and I had to come after school to grab it afterwards. I was like, she was so mad. Not at me, at the person who graded it. But still. And this was a weird teacher, too. Like, she would say some of the weirdest stuff. Like, at one point, I think we were talking, she asked me to answer a question from the workbook. I answered it, like, very succinctly. And so she made, like, some weird allegory about, I can't even remember what it was. It was something about, like, what work is in science or something, and then her thing was, I can't even remember, but eventually she started being like, I'm a hippie child. I'm like, and everybody's like, thanks, Rebecca. I'm like, I just answered her the question she posed at me, okay? There was another time where, I can't even remember what the deal was with that either, but I guess she thought I was looking at her funny. She's like, I'm not pregnant, it's just fat. I'm like, you're like 47 years old. Why would I think you were pregnant? Your youngest child is my sister's age, and that was actually like, he's like 14 years younger than the oldest, I guess. Yeah, probably and then we found out that her youngest goes to school with my sister, and she knew him. And it was like, whoa. And so I think I got my sister to pretty much copy the weird quotes that my teacher was giving to him to see how he'd react. And I think he was very confused. Let's see. See, I'll zoom in so you can see the Earth being the Earth, and then I'm gonna distance. Ooh, maybe I'll change the speed. Let's make it move faster and see what happens. See if anything noticeable occurs. Oh, if it's going by like a minute, it's gonna be an issue. What's 17 hours work? Yeah, I'll do a day. I guess that's 1.5 days, but... Oh, it's a rogue object now. I guess I should see where it is now. Oh, yeah, that just went flying by. Okay, let's look at Earth now. Oh, it's a rogue object too. Average temperature, 28 Fahrenheit. Uh-oh, Africa's freezing. Dang. Dang. It's all frozen. Add a moon. And that warm it up? Is it warming up again? Add a moon. Add more moons until you go. Shoot. They ran into each other. Oh my god. Whoops. Oh no. Dang. Whoopsie. Where's the water? Oh no. Oh my. Stabilize temperature. Well, this is interesting to see. Well, it's cooling down. I guess it's as much as anybody could hope for. I should probably add a comet or something to get more water back. It's the composition here. It's the water. Gosh, the surface is black now. Melt all. So water now? It doesn't look like water. It looks like ice now. Freeze all. That might help it. I like how I said freeze and it's still like at 800 degrees. Nope. Oh. Is it steam? That looks really weird now. Guess I could just artificially change the temperature to 68. Enter. Whoa! I know it's a whole freaking ocean. Where's my land? Okay, where's my land? Stabilize. No elevation data, thanks. What? It's like a giant river across the planet. Okay, let's look at the surface. Can I, like... land? Let me walk. God, now it's nighttime. It's so weird. So yeah, I guess don't artificially... You can't even see, like... That's so weird. Well, that's me trying out Universe Sandbox. And it's probably going to take a day for this to download, so I'm going to end it here. Thanks you for watching!